Assalamualaikum. My name is Farah Aina binti Rahipul Yazat from School of Engineering EE242HC. The title of our group for the Product Idea and Innovation Showcase 2022 is Smart Parking Application. We are from Group 2. These are the members of our team, and each of us will present our own part. First, we will start off with problem statement. These are the problems that we observe of the ICT malls parking when we went there. First is time consuming to find a parking slot at central ICT malls parking. The second one is traffic jam in the parking mall basement. This oftenly happen as a lot of people always visiting this mall, especially on the weekends. And lastly is long queue to pay for a parking ticket, as the mall only actively use physical parking tickets and debit card as the option for the payment to enter the parking space. It gave a it gave a limited option to customer and always lead to a long queue for those who use parking tickets.
So this is the objective of smart parking applications. So firstly, it is to ease customers or consumers to find parking slots. Secondly is to avoid traffic jams in the parking slot, especially during peak hours. And the third one is to avoid queuing while paying for the parking ticket in the central ICT.
Hi, my name is Nur Fazlana Atira binti Fazli, and I'm going to continue on the proposed solution. So for the proposed solution is the first one is to provide an innovative e-payment for the parking ticket. So for this solution, we are going to make like an QR code so that customer can pay through the QR code scanner, and it will link to the e-payment e-wallet so that can ease for the problems that can cause due to the queuing while paying for the e-tickets. So the next one is to create a mobile application that have access to parking slots for the purpose of parking reservation and vehicle tracking. So by doing this, it can ease the customers to track their parking slots so that they doesn't have to take pictures of their parking slots each time they're parking. And the other thing is that by doing this mobile application, they can also reserve their parking in advance so that when they came to the parking mall, so they don't have to take time to find slots for their parking. And I send the next topic to my friends.
Assalamualaikum and hi, I'm Akira Samsurian. Now I'll present on commercialization value. First, the mall management. We approach the mall management to promote our product and service that we provided. And parking mall management will consider buying our product in order to solve the parking related problem or to make the parking more convenient and user friendly to the visitor. And for the price, it depends on the demand from the customer. Second, consumer. Consumer can use the app for free by downloading it from any app store in their phone. Need to mention that this application is only applicable to the mall who are using our service only. For example, in this case, we are focusing at Central ICT Mall. So to those who are coming or visit to the mall, we can use the app accordingly. Third, if you ask about durability and the validity of the product itself, from my perspective, this product is very reliable and can apply for a long term because people keep coming to the mall every time, every day. Uh, for example, if we got a good uh, response from the user at Central ICT Mall, maybe we can expand it to other places or other malls. And lastly, in order to make it valid for a long term, we need to keep updating our feature in the system according to the demand. So that's all.
Hello, my name is Ilya and I'm going to talk about creativity and engagement. Creative engagement is an approach to community engagement that uses creative tools and artistic experience to help diverse stakeholders imagine new approach to planning processes and spark creative problem solving. We can summarize it, creative and engagement is actually every aspect of the planning process. Before we can introduce about our service, we need to make sure to ask questions from both sides, which is the side of the mall management and also visitors. First, the planning is to approach mall management on problems or difficulty that have they faced regarding the parking system. With this, we can collect what problems that they want to mitigate to make sure that they won't face the same problem in the future. With the problem that we have sorted out, we can provide solution based on the service that our company provided. Other than that, we can plan and negotiate the service provided by our company. If the problem that are faced by the mall management um, are varies in many aspects, thus they actually need more solution from our side, which is the company. If more problems are faced, thus they need higher features for their smart parking application, and with that, they need to give out higher payment for the company to provide the application that is needed. Making sure that we get data from these visitors is also important because we can collect what is the problem from the side of the consumer and visitors. With this data collected, we can enhance the features for the future application so that we can mitigate both problem based on both sides. Once all this planning have been done and the product have been made, thus to expose this product to the customer, we can promote through the mall website or social media to engage with loyal customer by telling them the service that have been provided for future use to help them with searching for parking. Other than that, we can also place banner in front of the parking basement. That's my part. Thank you.